Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know this is the season of celebrations, so many weddings and occasions happening this season, so that's one of the reasons why I decided to film this video. And during this period I like to film or upload hairstyling, that's bridal hairstyling videos, so that's why I have decided to refilm or film an updated video on how to make hair padding before I move over to teaching you guys how to style different bridal hairstyles. Apart from that, I'll also be doing other things too, not just bridal hairstyle per se. I got a lot of questions asking if I can make a hair padding without the normal hair donuts. You know, the normal hair donut they use to style hair. So yeah, that's why I decided to refilm it again. I already uploaded a video on how to make hair padding. That was about 2 years ago or a year ago, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below just in case you are interested. But for this video, I'm not going to be I'm going to do like 2 different hair paddings without using a hair donut, and then 1 hair padding using a hair donut. So stay tuned and watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. It's so important. Right, instead of using the regular hair donut or donut for styling hair, I'm just going to use this DIY hair I made while I was trying to make like this distressed locks. So if you want to see the video on distressed locks, how I did the DIY extension I used to make the distressed locks, so if you want to see it, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. And you can also go ahead to use either a new or old weave on that you already have at home. Just make sure you wash it very clean and prepare it for the DIY. You can as well use like the wool, which is also known as yarn. I think most people call it yarn. So anything you have available around you, either old extension or new extension, or you can use your wool, anyone you have around you. Okay, for this I'll be using this stockings cap, preferable black, but if your client's hair is like a different color, you can as well use color that is closely or that is almost like your client's hair. So for the first hair padding, I'm taking this hair, I'm using this old extension. I folded it like so, or I'm folding it like so.
It started like a raindrop.
Okay, once I'm done folding it to the shape I do want or I like, we'll just go ahead to secure it with the stockings cap like so, and then after that we'll just use needle and thread to finally secure it.
I am not afraid of mistakes. Rather figure out on the way. I'm not gonna hide what I feel. If it's real.
So yeah, this is the final look. You can actually use this particular hair padding to create this look, and if you want to watch the full video, you can go ahead to click on the subscribe button. You can go ahead to click on the description box below so that you can see a link to watch the full video of this hair.
One way to go, no monsters in a dark side, dark side.
So for hair padding 2, we'll be using this DIY extension for distressed locks that I created before. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below just so that you can go and check it out. So first we'll be folding it like so, just creating the shape first before I go ahead to secure it with the stockings cap. using the stocking cap, we just go ahead to secure it more with needle and thread. And for this part, I will advise you to just watch the video very carefully, because I'm kind of tucking the stocking cap in as I'm sewing it. Like as I'm sewing, stitching with needle and thread, I'm tucking it in a way. So at this point, I'm going to advise you or allow you to just watch the video.
It started like a raindrop, raindrop, but it's already covering me. My heart keeps swaying non-stop, non-stop.
Yeah, this is what it looks like, and you can use this hair padding to create this look. If you want to watch the full video, you can go ahead to just click the description box below, and you'll see a link below.
I'm not gonna hide what I feel. If it's real, if it's real, I got my light, no crack, no.
Okay, for the last hair padding, this is the most simplest, which requires the donut hair padding. So I'm going to be using this. So yeah, just like I said before, you only need to split the donut hair padding into two.
I'm riding through the wild tide, wild tide.
And then secure the ends using needle and thread like so. Please watch carefully on how I'm securing it, so that because the stitching as well is different, so just watch carefully.
I am not afraid of mistakes. Rather figure out on the way. I'm not gonna hide what I feel. If it's real, if it's real, I got my light up, no crack, no care. Got my head up, I'm almost there. Oh, 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 oh. I got my light up, light up. I got my light, light. I no cry, no care. I'm like the air. I got my light, light. I no cry, no care. I'm like the air. I got my light up, got my head up. I got my light.
So mostly this type of hair padding is actually used to wrap like long hairs.
No crack, no care. Got my head up.
Okay, here are the 3 different types of hair padding you can create yourself at home. Hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. So please do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Swaying non-stop, non-stop. I guess I gotta swim in the sea.